Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be playing with the Van de Graaff machine that I built. Take a look over here. And I'm going to show you step by step how to build one. It's pretty cool. And then I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'm going to shock myself. Well, I've already shocked myself plenty of times, so yep. Right before I show you how everything's built, I'm just going to show you pictures of me working on this project. It took me about a month because, you know, school and all that stuff, but you can actually finish this less than, if you have the materials, you can finish this in less than a day, no problem. And especially if you watch this video, you can probably finish it in about 3 maybe 5 hours. I don't know, depends on your work speed. But yeah, here are some pictures. Alright guys, let's go from bottom to top. So basically what this is that it's the ground wire, and it connects you know this whole machine to ground, so that, you know, any charges, it tries to maintain neutrality and bring this goes whatever charges are, you know, sent up isn't, it just keeps the whole thing neutral, so like electrons are balanced and charges can gather at the top, which is this big dome right here. And the whole process is extremely simple. Well, I mean, kind of simple, right? Basically, the bottom is mobile, so that I'm allowed to spin it. And when I spin it, this part is stationary, and this fabric, like a pantyhose fabric, rubs against the PVC pipe. And if you ever rub like pantyhose against a PVC pipe, right, you notice that there's a lot of static, and that's called tribal electricity, and that's the principle that we're abusing, we're exploiting right here to create this Van de Graff generator. And that's really it, right? But if you want to create the Van de Graff, you know, generator, it's really just, I would say the hardest part was creating the structure out of the PVC pipe and making sure, you know, everything's kind of like stable and right. You know, I still can't get to attach a motor onto here because, you know, my drill isn't working right now. But basically what I wanted to do was attach a drill in here, and then, you know, so that I don't have to manually hand crank it, hand spin it, whatever, right? And that's pretty much it. You know, you create a structure, something like this, and then you have a spinning mechanism and a ground wire touching a ground brush, right, a copper brush. And I just made this out of hold on. All right, so I had a spare hot glue gun lying around, and it was $3, so I kind of just killed it and I sacrificed it. I cut off the wires and I used it for this. And you can use any electronic in your house that you don't really need and cut the wires and like spread out the copper wires and create some sort of brush like this. You need a ground wire, you need a top wire to connect it to. It's connected. You really can't see, but the copper part is also touching the ball on top, and that's essentially everything, right? And if you guys have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. And yeah, that's basically it. The hardest part was really the structure, and, you know, maybe understanding the concept. I would recommend checking out Electroboom's video. Yeah, the YouTube was very insightful in this building process. Hello everyone, and now I'm gonna crank it. I'm gonna, you know, manually crank this a couple times, and yeah, I'll come back to you guys when we are. Alright, now it's charged. We're just gonna go right ahead and touch it. And now we turn off the lights.